right, we're back in the rec case, State of Law versus Shelly Carter, CR 16-10-14-83. Counsel is present. Ms. Carter is present. Ms. Carter, you remain under oath. Is that understood?
Yes, sir.
All right. You needed a minute, some time to talk to your attorney, and 5-8 minutes have passed by. Have you had sufficient time to speak to your attorney?
Yes, I have, Your
Do you
Honor.
need more time to speak to your attorney?
No, sir.
Do you remember the question that I asked right before you asked to talk to your attorney?
Yes, sir.
All right, refresh my recollection. What did I ask you?
You had asked me if I wanted a jury trial and that I would have 12 people that would be deciding.
Well, how many of the 12 have to agree that you're guilty before you can be convicted?
All 12.
All 12. All right. So I asked you if you wanted to waive your right to a trial by jury?
Yes, sir.
All right. Do you understand your right to a trial by jury?
I do, Your Honor.
Do you want to waive your right to a trial by jury?
I'm going to waive my right
To what?
to a trial by jury.
All right. You understand at trial, Ms. Sack could issue subpoenas. And those subpoenas would force witnesses to come to court and testify on your behalf. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Next Monday, the state's witnesses take the stand and testify. Ms. Sack could cross-examine. She could question the state's witnesses who testify against you. You, next Monday, or during the course of the trial next week, could choose not to testify. Of course, no one could force you to testify. It would be your decision as to whether or not you wish to testify. But if you chose not to testify, the state could not use your silence against you. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
You couldn't say, hey, why didn't Shelly Carter take the stand and tell you, ladies and gentlemen, whatever they want to argue. They could not do that. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
And of course, arrangements would be made for you to appear in front of that jury without handcuffs, in street clothes. Your attorney and family could make arrangements to get you appropriate clothing to appear in front of this jury. They would not know that you were in custody. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Have any other questions about your trial rights?
No, sir.
Do you want to waive or give up the trial rights I've just discussed?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Carter, has anyone threatened you or coerced you? You want to come to court today and give up your right to a trial?
No, sir.
You're entering a plea of guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
Have there been any promises made to you in return for a plea of guilty?
No, sir.
Any promises that you'll receive a more lenient or lighter sentence?
No, sir.
No. And what's the maximum prison sentence that you're facing if you plead guilty as this charge has been amended?
A maximum is 8 years,
Maximum fine of how much?
$15,000.
Any questions?
No, sir.
You're certain this is what you want to do?
Yes, sir.
You understand the difference between a guilty plea and a not guilty plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. What I ask you this time is to count 3 the amended charge of attempted conspiracy to commit aggravated murder in violation of revised code sections 2923.02, 2923.01A, and 2903.01. At this time, how do you wish to plead?
Guilty.
All right, the defendant has pled guilty. The court finds that the defendant understands the charges being. She understands all of the constitutional guaranteed trial rights. Find that she's made no intelligent military waiver of those rights. Accept her plea of guilty, make a finding of guilty, vacate Monday's trial date, Does the defendant wish to have the pre-sentence investigation report completed?
Yes, Your Honor, please. Further to that report, Your Honor, I respectfully move the court to allow Ms. Carter to be evaluated by a psychologist from the forensic department for mitigation.
Court will order a mitigation report by the Forensic Center, as well as a PSI. Schedule the matter for sentencing on February 23rd. Yes. 1:30 p.m. Phelps, where's the plea form? Any questions?
Thank you, no.
First thing you will coordinate with Rick, will send about giving the information, there's a little form to send over to the Forensic Center. I don't know who's supposed to do that anymore, get that process started. Rick, would you diary this for about February 16th, and insert the Forensic Center in around the 4th?
Your Honor, I know the victims, when they say that they want to write a victim impact statement, when would you advise you to read the prior sentencing?
Oh, as long as they were here by Tuesday afternoon, the week of sentencing.
Thank you.
I look at that material
Thank you,
usually on
Dan.
the Wednesday prior to the 3rd.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
All right, if there are no questions, we'll stand in recess.
Please rise. Court is in recess.
Pre-sentence investigation. Yeah, do a full about the best that you can. Some of the information will be over to the jail to go through it with you to get all the information, okay? Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, back to second.
It's nice meeting you. I guess I'll see you again on the 23rd.